What you making today, Julius?
Brunch. Pretty much anything that just kind of stuffed me up. I'm pretty much just taking random stuff like from the fridge. Oh sh! I was thinking, wow, what were you in front of me? What the heck?
I teleported.
Alright. I might need a timer for this one. I'm gonna use this vegan sausage. Do you have another try finger drink? Oh yeah, waffles. Got a plan for this one. This one's gonna go in the oven. And this is just gonna... Wait. I'm still getting used to this. Yeah, that's definitely good. Just gonna leave it for a couple, like say 2 minutes. And prepare some hot drink as well. Alright, not yet though. Later. Just pop this baby right in. Probably give it about 20 minutes. Right, I'm gonna need another oven. Oh shit, it's inside the oven. Oh shit, no. There it is. Waffles. I don't know if you want some shells though. Free for me. I'm thinking I should put in these on top. Should I put these on top or just sprinkle chocolate on the waffles? Just cut off the whole one piece of waffles. I want to fat myself up, guys, so why not put 2 cheese? That's pure brunch right there. Oh shit, I actually can't wait. Oh shit, I'm drooling already. Oh shit. It's cheese made out of coconut. It's actually very special because like this month is the month of vegan, so I really want to be more creative with my cooking. And I hope these brunch is worth cooking for. Cheese goes here. I want to plan for doing for these ones. Not this one. I want to make like a bagel sandwich. I want to make it with plain bagels. But to be honest, all I got is cinnamon and raisins. So this will have to make do for now. I only have about 3 hams left. I need to buy some more. Let's go make some tea. And also going to prep for heating the beans as well. You know what? It is possible for me to get full a smoky beets root burger. Oh, that was my personal vegan favorite thing. Thank you. And I also want that sweet potato fries on the side. I love sweet potatoes. I gobbled them up and also enjoying these new headphones that I bought yesterday. It's not noise cancelling. My next visit will get like a little bit of cashback. After I finished my lasagna and beetroot burger, I was surprisingly not full. I mean, I should be full. I was like, nom nom nom. After I finished those, I went for the excuse me. I was vegetarian for 6 years when I first started, and then by the 3rd week of January, that's when I started my vegan diet. Eating plant-based food was absolutely divine, absolutely delicious, like in a very unique way. Like never know foods like wheat, soy, tofu. If I'm not making any sense, leave in the comments below. Shut me up. I got all kinds of opinions of veganism. Let me just check my wieners. It's not quite there yet. I expected more melt. It's not ready yet. No way. Until it's ready, I'm gonna sprinkle more cheese. One thing I like about food is cheese, especially coconut cheese. Again, shut me up. I'm finally gonna use these bad boys for this. I think it's gonna taste really weird because it's cinnamon and raisins, and makes me want to think twice and just stick to this. Use these for this bread and this for toasted butter. Oh, nice. Alright, sugar. Normally I buy brown sugar at Sainsbury's, but since I was at Morrison's, so put this in a Google Play for Dokkan Battle. So, well, I'm gonna mention Dokkan Battle a lot, guys. It's very addictive. Alright, you don't like hot beverage. It's my job as a roommate to understand. Let's check on the... Wow! Oh, they look toasty enough. It's a little bit melted. That's cool. It's cool, cool. Jesus, flip. Should I do the flip? Nah, I don't want to flip it over. I'm gonna leave it for another minute or two. Here comes the big one. So does it look good? It's getting there. Wait, I need to make sure. Ooh. Oops. Perfect. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. I'm gonna put the baked beans down.
We love some baked beans.
It's no breakfast without baked beans. See that, Anna? You need this. Oh shit. Oh shit. Put that sucker in. Yo. Right, let's get started on the bagels. Wrong knife. Let's cut in half. Alright, come on, so we call this. Now this is lunch. Plant-based butter. Alright, let me get rid of all of this milk. Okay, it's heating up. It's almost ready. Oh my gosh, yes. And use the pickles. Ready! Now let's spread that pickle in. Yes. Oh my gosh. Right, that's my sandwich. Alongside with 2 bagels, raisin on it. Spread that bagel while it's still hot. Let's fucking go. Now watch it melt like crazy. You don't have to watch it. Yep, that's it. That's it. Oh, hello. Now, behold the little half-eaten sausage. Sausage. And here we are, the good stuff. Oh yeah. That's it. The waffle with sprinkled vegan cheese. I will wash that. And now, baked beans. No, I want to do something different. It's in the kitchen. Let's add a little bit of almond milk. Oh, no tea. Now let's put that baked bean down. Now, ooh yes. What should I put, guys? The hot one or the dark one? Yo. Let's make it nice and hot and spicy. Sprinkle that shit. Yeah, boy. And voila, shelf. Ooh, it looks so good. Oh, I was just about to come up for that. Thank you. I don't know where to start. That's all the waffles covered with chocolate syrup. You know what? This is by far the messiest brunch that I ever made. It's actually good. Very sweet. There's nothing wrong with making changes. Now, the vegan cheese covered with hot sauce. Please don't suck. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's so good. You know what?
As soon as I saw your eyes roll back, I knew you liked it.
Would you like to try? Oh my gosh, it's singing. Here you go. Yeah. Don't worry, it's not that hot. That reaction right there. Oh, you love it. Now the baked. Now beans with vegan sausage. Obviously, this is my usual, but it tastes delicious. Obviously, this other sausage, vegan cheese covered. waffles with baked beans. Oh yeah. It's absolutely really good. Oh, now the chocolate covered ones. Feels odd like you covering it with baked beans. It's moist. I can taste the beans. All covered with chocolate sauce, obviously. It's like the beans is sell and chocolate is Gohan, and sell just one. You just demoralize the whole planet. Obviously, this is my usual sandwich, so I know it's gonna taste delicious. But. Still good. I like raisins.